We're gonna learn how to use the phone camera for Ome TV video chat website. We're gonna take the help of iReune webcam. Go to iReune.com. Just download the webcam for Windows. It's just 2 MB file. Once downloaded, begin the installation. Set the number of cameras is 1. Next. Finish and run the iReune webcam. So it's opened here. Also install the iReune webcam on your phone of which you want to use the camera. Once you install the app on phone, open it. Dismiss. Allow all the permissions to the app to access the camera and to record the video. Microphone. It's waiting for connection. Select the front camera. Tap on this camera icon. Now you've got your face on the camera. Now launch the iReune webcam on the PC. You're just gonna make sure that your phone and the PC are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. It automatically selects your device. Now once it's done, minimize the iReune webcam on PC and go to Ome TV website. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to device manager. Go to search box, type in here device and go to device manager. Inside the device manager, expand the cameras and you're gonna disable the default camera of your PC. In my case, the name is integrated camera. You might have any other names for this. Just disable. Right click and disable. Once the default camera is disabled, minimize the device manager. Now you can open up new tab and we're gonna go to camera settings inside the Chrome. Right in here, Chrome settings content camera. This path is given in description. Just copy and paste it on the URL box and enter. You'll get the camera settings. Click on the drop down arrow and we're gonna select the iReune webcam here. Once you do this, go back to Ome TV and reload the page. And just like that, now you've got the camera of your phone and you can use it on Ome TV.
Hi.
Hello. To get the best results, you can position your camera just in front of you. Let me do it. Whenever you want to stop the iReune webcam, go to tray, right click on iReune webcam and quit. And now you can go to device manager back, enable the default camera of your PC, enable. Once it's enabled, you can just reload the Ome TV and it's back to your camera. So just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.